Hi, my name is Paul with another tech tip, and today we're discussing proper repair placement.
Placing a repair correctly is an essential part of the tire repair process. This may seem like a simple step, yet there are key factors that should be remembered. First, if you're using a spreader, relax the bead. This allows the tire to return to a natural position. If a repair is placed in a tire that is still spread, it can cause bridging and uneven contact, possibly leading to a repair failure. Second, peel the poly back from the center out. Leave the edges of the poly on the repair. This provides an edge that you can handle without touching the cushion gum. Dirt and natural oils from your hands or gloves will greatly decrease adhesion of the repair. Next, place the repair down center first. Make sure the arrows on the repair are pointing towards the beads, making sure the repair reinforcement flexes with the body cables. Thumb the repair in a cross pattern to ensure the center of the repair is making good contact with the buff surface. Finally, use firm pressure to stitch from the center out. Do this in multiple directions to work any trapped air out from under the repair. For more information on proper tire repair, visit techtirerepairs.com.
This has been another tech tip. My name is Paul. Thanks for watching.